I know it is strange and absurd.
When I was a kid, the disaster we worried about most was a nuclear war. Today, the greatest risk of global catastrophe doesn't look like this. Instead, it looks like this.
In extreme circumstances, our emotions and gestures matter the most.
Right now it's me versus the universe. This is just your psychological condition. This is not the reality. Even when you feel utterly lonely, are you still breathing? So you're transacting with the world, isn't it? Yes, you only can't get along with the people around you, but atmosphere is okay with you, food is okay if it tastes good, water is okay. You have transaction with the world, isn't it? Your existence is constantly an engagement with the universe, but your mind becomes against the universe. If you create a psychological condition that you're against or you're in competition with the universe or the cosmos, obviously you will feel crushed for small things. Little things will crush you. When you die, there is no container service for you. You die with nothing. In spite of that, most people have turned their homes into warehouses. Most people are carrying such a huge baggage on their head as if they're carrying the whole universe on their head. This is their own psychological condition. Your thought and emotion is what you're talking about, right? When are you going to figure out how to handle your thought and emotion? Not hers, not hers, not his, yours. When are you going to learn how to handle my thought and my emotion? At the end of your life? The only problem really with life is just this. Most human beings have taken themselves too seriously. They don't understand. Countless number of people like you and me have walked this planet. They were also big people. Where are they? All topsoil? In your life, many issues will come. More issues come up in your life means you're living a more active life. Nothing came up means you're not living.
We are facing yet another deadly threat to our planet. In disbelief, we wonder who to blame, who to fear, who we can rely on. Masks fall and we show who we really are. Arrogant, brave, fragile, imperfect. But there is something that unites us all, regardless of our race and religious beliefs. Something in our DNA, the desire to live, to win. The desire to expand our minds. We are part of a millennium.
That means I'm gonna go 100% stronger the next beat. That means I'm gonna put my best foot forward the next time my heart beats. And as long as it's beating, if I get knocked down, I'll get back up. As long as it's beating, that means I'm gonna help the next person out. As long as it's beating, I'm gonna stand up and be a leader. As long as it's beating, I have an opportunity to fight this. You and I have an opportunity to be better, to do better, to think better, to react better. It's easy to give up. It's easy to throw in the towel. It's easy to just believe what everyone says about you, but they don't know that the next beat that's inside of you, it can be that moment that changes everything. This is why you were created. This is the main purpose of you being on this earth. To be something new, to be someone that somebody else can look up to guide us down the right path. Because you have those people who don't want you to be successful, who don't want you to be great, who don't want you to stand up and be who you're supposed to be. We call them haters. And sometimes your haters are your best critics. Because they push you, they move you, they motivate you to go back and think about what you've overcome, what you've gotten up from and been successful in. They make you think about Yeah, I may be down right now. This earth, people on it, we may be hurting. But you have to remember, all the things that we've been through, we rise! And we will be great! And we will stand on the shoulders of our forefathers and be and do and push each other to be great again. So it doesn't matter what we're going through right now. We will lose some soldiers, but we won't lose this battle.